Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to simply create an FPS lag effects for your video in Capcut. So first you need to add your clip to Capcut and split it into a few parts like this. And after that, just click on the transition box right here, this white box in between the clips, and then find glitch category and then select the strobe transitions. Okay, apply it to around 0.5 seconds and click on apply to all. Click on the check icon and now go to the effects and video effects. Click on the lens and select the FPS lag, so this one, and adjust the effects to 100. Click on the check icon and make sure that the effects apply to all of your clips. And you are done with the FPS lag, so the video will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. If you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.